Okay, we're glass bottom boating.
Hold your ticket, sir.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night.
Welcome aboard, guys.
To the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.
So, 45 minutes out. And
Going
then
to Molasses Reef.
Molasses.
So it is a 2-hour tour, so you figure 45 minutes each way. You're only getting 30 minutes of viewing. But whatever.
Whatever.
Gives us something to do before we have to head back to Miami. So.
So we got up, packed, put everything in the car, and then decided to do this. No. The African Queen. It's a looker.
We never done anything like that before. Kind of lame to us, and we prefer to actually get in the water. However, with being checked out of our hotel and having plans to meet up with family and do other stuff and not have a chance to take a shower, we didn't want to get salty. But it worked out. It was pretty neat. The ocean's pretty calm right now, so it wasn't too bad, and we got to see a lot of stuff. We went down to the viewing area a little bit early, and I saw 2 sea turtles, one really big, and then we saw a couple more sea turtles during the thing, and the guy's like pointing them out. We saw a stingray, we saw a nurse shark, we saw some other big shark. What else did we see? Lots of jellyfish, lots of fish, reef, coral, whatever. It was pretty good. Anything else I'm missing?
No, pretty good.
We're kind of getting to Miami now, so he's focusing on driving.
It was really good. I actually had fun on that thing, and I did not think that it was worth my time.
We just kind of did it because it was cheap and it was a way to kill the morning. We didn't actually end up...
It was cheap, it was close, and it was an excursion, technically.
Yeah.
So
we didn't really think we were going to like it as much as we did.
Yeah.
Definitely worth the, what, 20, 25 bucks we paid.
Yeah, it was probably 25 bucks. Huh?
5 o'clock somewhere?
5 o'clock somewhere.
No mimosas?
They got tequila sunrise and something else.
I might get a drink on the way back.
Yeah, I think this will help my stomach.
Really?
Because I drank like that catamaran.
That's what I was thinking about.
We were drunk off our ass and we were fine.
Right, that's what I was thinking about. But I was like, I don't know, with me not being like totally trashed. Oh shit.
When you're chilling, the Corona gets its line.
Look at that pretty view. Judy at Random Kingdom yesterday was telling us down in, I think, Marathon, they have deer, and I guess they're full-grown deer are the size of our baby deer. Yeah. And they come right up to you and they'll like eat out of your hand and let you pet them. So that's now on my bucket list.
Oh, great. Huh. That was at Pine Key, Big Pine Key.
Oh, was it Marathon?
No.
Oh.
Big Pine Key.
Wherever, we're going to look it up and I got to go there and pet some deer.
Nice. And it looks like we are almost out of this.
And it ended up being really relaxing. It was fun and informative. And it's actually a really neat thing for the whole family to do together. If you don't have strong swimmers in your family or if you have really young kids, it was pretty cool.
Or old people, that too.
Yeah, all ages.
Right. And like I said, it was super relaxing. Like the Keys have that vibe for some reason, and we just wanted to basically chill out. What's up? She's about to go downstairs and get us a good seat. We're rocking and rolling. We're about out there. This water is blue.
Look at that.
Caribbean blue.
35 minutes out.
5 minutes in. About to head downstairs.
Let's go.
Cool in here.
Right? Air conditioning.
Ain't much to see yet.
Nope. Two little viewing areas.
The way it shows up on video is a little misleading because it actually looks a lot better than what we picked up with our camera. It's very clear, but it is slightly disorienting. Yeah, you're following fish with your eyes and the boat's moving. It's just a weird thing.
Yeah.
Not really a seasickness, but definitely makes you feel a little motion sickness.
You start to feel uncomfortable. Sometimes looking down through these wells is not for everybody. What you're going to want to do is take yourselves topside. Go over there, get some fresh air. Kyle's going to be up there. You can do whatever you can to make you feel more comfortable.
But I think everybody kind of adjusted pretty quickly. Like when you first look at it, you get a little disoriented, but it clears up pretty quickly.
At the shop where you buy your tickets, they also sold Dramamine.
Or an off-brand of Dramamine.
Yeah, seasickness pills.
These jellyfish that we keep seeing, guys, are called moon jellyfish. Just to let you know, the ones that we do have out here in the Atlantic. Seeing lots of them.
So the guy on here gives really neat commentary. He talks a lot about the coral and every animal that you see, and he's very interactive. You can ask him questions or say, hey, I saw a fish that was this shape and this color, what is it? And he'll be able to name it for you. So that was pretty neat.
Yep, rainbow parrotfish right there. It's a juvenile one. Alright, start guys, start right here. Alright. Just hang out right there back. Alright, so what we got? We have 3 sea turtles so far. Alright, there. That is the most shallowest part of the reef. That is over 2 feet deep right there. Give you guys some more of these yellowtail snappers going by in the front, guys. So, like I said, solid silver ones go by with the yellow forked tail, kind of like a torpedo. Those are your snappers, alright? If you do have plans while you're down here to go fishing, those snappers get their name for a reason. I do not recommend ever grabbing a fish like you would do with a bass or a trout or a catfish, holding it up like a trophy. Those snappers get their name for their jaw-like instincts are just as strong as a snapping turtle. They will break your knuckles. We don't. You guys never see turtle on the right hand side? Oh, maybe. No, we don't. Sometimes during the fall or spring to summer season, we do a sunset cruise. Sometimes it's too dark, we gotta do it. And that doesn't really work out. Best way to check out. Oh, guys, there's a nurse shark right here in this crevice, guys. Come by, right? It's a baby. You guys see him right here? The port stern. Alright, yeah,
Turtle! Turtle!
That's a hawksbill, guys. Oh, there's another one. Alright. Alright, so what we got? Turtle readings. Anybody keeping track now? 7, 8? No. I think 8? Not to worry too much, right? Those are the babies of the group that called your nurse shark. They get that reason because they look like a giant catfish. And a sucker fish. They do is have 2 inverted teeth to go at things like lobsters and conch. As long as you leave everything alone out here, they're going to leave you alone, right? They're not going to be frightened by you. But the most dangerous things about 1 or 2 things out here. One, the person swimming next to you, or this coral that we're going by right now, guys. Kind of has this rusty glow color to it. You might see it over here on this edge. That coral right there is called blade fire coral. Now every coral you meet out here is related to anemones and jellyfish, so if you brush up against us, you're going to get a burning sensation. That one I just pointed out, though, you're going to get a stronger one.
I'll look at all that.
Alright, can you just imagine this? Here's the ones I talked about. You guys are snorkeling. Can you imagine the jellyfish swimming up the same height? It is amazing. Nice stretching. What? There you go. Now, molasses reef is a very popular reef. What we've been going over today, like I said, is the seventh largest site on the whole big reef sanctuary. Got the other one? So what we've been going over today, though, in depth-wise, is the range from about 10 to 45 feet deep, which would be roughly about, what, 3 meters to about 13 meters, something like that. Alright, so it's pretty large, what we're thinking about. Now, the reef sanctuary that we're at is actually called the Florida Reef Tract. It's the 3rd largest barrier reef system in the entire world. Alright, it starts all the way up there about West Palms there. There's a big school of grunts, guys. These little small yellow ones hanging down here, right on each side. Those are really good eating, except for it takes a lot of them.
There's a long one in the center.
It's a barracuda.
That's a barracuda.
Yep. Alright.
Sea turtle.
We haven't even seen a mermaid
Turtle.
yet.
Oh,
What's
turtle.
going on? Alright, but on our way back, I personally do recommend if you want to go keep looking down just for a little bit longer. Nice spot when it's further back the longer head sea turtles.
We're gonna go to Sundowners and maybe feed some tarpon before we head back to Miami. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes.
And then we have the jet boat in Miami, and then we have the ice bar and dinner with the group. And
Lots going on.
yeah, once we get to Miami, we'll have the whole group.
Yeah, the whole group.
Be good.
Yeah, it'll be real good.